Healthy Arts are really looking forward to working with the Lee Spinners Mill on this new project. We're particularly looking forward to taking the heritage of the mill out into the community and bringing members of the community into the mill to explore the heritage here on site.
Origami is the art of paper folding, so we're going to be folding 1,000 birds within the community with various groups, and it's going to be part of a massive exhibition in Spinners Mill in Lee.
Haiku poetry is an ancient Japanese form of poetry. It's only got 3 lines, and our ambition is to get lots and lots of people writing these 3-line poems and to join in our exhibition.
It's been an amazing day today with lots of fantastic schools that have visited for the Platinum Jubilee, obviously funding the Paper Birds project that we're working with Healthy Arts. It's just fantastic to see Lee Spinners full of children, happy children, obviously enjoying the day and the performances.